Resistor with the colors violet, yellow, orange, gold. Violet represents digit 7. Yellow represents 4. Orange at the third position is the multiplier or number of zeros. That's why I'm going to, instead of writing 3, I'm going to just write 3 zeros, because orange is at the third position. This is number of zeros. 3 zeros. Orange represents 3. Gold is my tolerance plus minus 5%. I have 74,000 ohms plus minus 5%. Remember, anytime you are going to move decimal point 3 times to the left side, anytime you are going to reach the resistance of the resistors, you are going to end up with kilo ohms. That's why you have to write 74 kilo ohms plus minus 5%. This is the resistance of this resistor. Let's take a look at the second one. I have green, brown, orange, silver. Green represents digit 5. Brown represents digit 1. Orange at the third position is telling me that I'm going to have 3 zeros over here. Silver is my tolerance. Tolerance plus minus 10%. I have 51,000 ohms plus minus 10%. Move the decimal point, invisible decimal point, 3 times to the left side, and we are going to have kilo. I'm going to have 51 kilo ohms, and the tolerance plus minus 10%.